Having trouble with missed call notifications that won't go away on your iPhone? Follow these step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. First of all, open up your settings. Now scroll to Notifications. Tap on the Phone app. Turn off Allow Notifications. Once that is done, you want to perform a forced restart. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, turn Allow Notifications back on. If that doesn't fix your issue, open up your settings again and tap on Notifications. Now tap on Phone, find the option of Badges, toggle it off, then after a couple of seconds, toggle it on again. As a last resort, reset all settings. For that, go to Settings, now tap on General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. Confirm and check notifications again. This should fix your issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.